out.
Sisyphus goes to Hades. I'll think of some eternal torture for him. Immortality in the worst way.
Thanatos will bring dawn and Sisyphus will come to save her and the citizens.
The end of the humans. The end of my troubles. Peace at last.
We need the humans. Can't we just scare them into submission? They're just slaves.
They don't know that. Sisyphus tells them they are free to choose their destiny.
Free will. Ha! Only I have free will.
Have I been gone?
You don't look well. Where is that wretch, Sisyphus and Dawn?
Dawn won't be coming. Sisyphus thinks he can save his people by giving himself up. He speaks to them now.
There is nothing he can say that will move me. He is finished.
Father, all can be undone by your wish. Live and let live.
The humans want the fantasy of freedom, but you will always rule them. No need to destroy them in the pleasure we take from their world.
It is time, Gaia. Time to wash away our mistake. Is it evil, this power of mine? Am I wicked? We want to survive. An honest man, a natural man. If I were human, I could be that man, a champion against all that is false and fake, a philosopher, not king of the gods. I will not, I cannot, I shall not ever give in. Is it over? This crossroads in time. Am I vital to watch them march off and die? Zeus, the god, can only fulfill his fate, to decide the fate of others, to protect who he can and what he can, but most of all, to remain godly forever. Can a god be wrong? No. Only a human can be wrong. I will not, I cannot, I shall not ever give in.
Stop, Zeus! You two have a choice. I can use this power to destroy you, to destroy all of Olympus, all humankind. Is that what you want? We all go down together, become the ashes of the past.
I am Zeus. You cannot kill me, vanquish me, or even save me from my fate.